Affordable home organization ideas. Hello and welcome to my Wonder List. Are you tired of the clutter in your home and looking for some affordable ways to get organized? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing some of our top picks for affordable home organization ideas. First up is to use storage bins and baskets to keep clutter off the floor and countertops. You can find affordable storage bins and baskets at most stores. And they're a great way to keep items like toys, linens, and other household items organized and out of sight. Next, we have the use of shelves and wall-mounted organizers. Shelves are a great way to make use of vertical space and keep things organized and off the floor. Wall-mounted organizers are another great option for organizing items like pots and pans, cleaning supplies, and other household items. For a budget-friendly way to organize your closet, consider using hanging organizers. These organizers come in a variety of sizes and styles and are a great way to keep your clothes and accessories organized and easy to find. Finally, we have the use of bins and baskets to organize your pantry. Bins and baskets are a great way to keep your pantry items organized and easy to find. They also help to keep your pantry looking neat and tidy. Those are just a few of our top picks for affordable home organization ideas. We hope this video has been helpful and gave you some ideas for getting your home organized on a budget. Thanks for watching.